Did you have fun with our fellow crafters at the last All-to-New retreat?
Are you looking for more crafty fun
and creativity with your seasonal card making?
After the overwhelmingly positive response to the first one,
we're bringing back another All-to-New crafting retreat,
celebrating the holiday season.
If you missed the last one,
this is your chance to experience a full day of interactive virtual card making workshops with some of your favorite All-to-New educators.
Anna Metani,
Amy Hill,
Natasha Davies,
Colleen Balija, Rosie Newstetter,
Teresa Litchfield.
Enjoy fun crafting tutorials,
exclusive access to new, never-before-seen products,
exciting giveaways, and special guest appearances.
rejuvenate your creativity with tons of inspiration, and build relationships with crafters just like you.
with our specially curated Craft Your Life kit.
and the guidance of talented ABCP educators.
You will have a blast creating beautiful things in your craft room.
Come join us in this holiday extravaganza.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!